Hi, how are you? Let's draw the special celebrations of the Eid Mubarak of the Muslim peoples here. So this is the symbol. First, we want to draw a curved line. You can see I'm going to draw a curved line. So it looks like a half circle. Okay. And on the outside border, let's draw another half circle. Okay. So here's the moon, and over the moon, you can see a mosque symbol, actually symbolic mosque, and the dome. You can see the details of the architecture. So having the doors here, just putting some shades on the one side, the window, another window. Okay. And a bigger dome on the top of it. You can see the dome here, and the details of the domes you can see here. On top of it, another small moon. All right. And you can see the tall tower on the side of the mosque, which is used to for calling people for the prayer, which is called the adhan. So there's the tower area, and you can see the graphics with a very black shape on the top of it. It has a few towers, like 2-story to 6-story, so a little bit taller than the bigger dome structure here. We're going to draw another one. Okay. So after all the details, you can see putting a smaller dome here on the top of it. Okay. And the windows here, also 2 windows here, and another windows here, and a door here. So for the moon, we're just putting the shades with the crayon color. I'm just putting a black strokes of the crayon. You can see the oil pastel, sometimes we call it. Putting the colors, and just put your fingers like this so that the color is mixed up with the whole surface. Okay, so now it has a nice effect all over the area. The color is distributed. Awesome. For the mosque, you can just put the orange color in the dome, and I'm going to mix it up again. Okay, just putting the hands here and mix it up the colors of the dome. Awesome. So putting the yellow colors, the whole surface, also putting yellow colors here, and just putting hands for mixing up the whole colors with the whole surface. So you can see the drawing looks good, nice and easy. I hope you like the video. You can do practice at home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on for the more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.